Good morning everyone. Myself Bhagyashree Adate. I am from Indian Institute Food Science and Technology Aurangabad. We know today is World Environment Day, so we have short seminar on this wonderful occasion, and the topic is plantation and its benefit. So first I will tell about tree plantation. Plantation is a large agriculture property dedicated to planting a few crops on a large scale. Plantation doesn't have to only mean massive single product farms. A small grove to trees is also called a plantation, but usually when used we mean the big farms. Tree planting is carried out in many different parts of the world, and strategies may differ widely across nations, regions, and among individual reforestation companies. The planting is grounded in forest science, and if performed properly can result in the successful regeneration and forested
Everyone,
area.
myself Neha Mande. I am from Indian Institute of Food Science and Technology. My topic is benefits of plants. We all know plants are very important for living things. Plants maintain atmosphere. ये बहुत बड़ी बेनिफिट्स है प्लांट्स की जो एटमॉस्फेयर मेंटेन करता है. They produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide during a photosynthesis. Oxygen is essential for a cellular respiration for all aerobic organisms. प्लांट सिर्फ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अब्जॉर्ब नहीं करता, उसके साथ साथ वो हार्मफुल गैसेस भी अब्जॉर्ब करता है. उससे वो मेंटेन कर सकता है एटमॉस्फेयर को. Trees contribute to their environment by providing oxygen, conserving water, and preserving soil, and supporting wildlife. It's also maintain the ozone layer that help to protect earth life from damaging UV radiation. आप सबको पता है कि ओजोन लेयर आज के दिन में कम होता जा रहा है. उसकी वजह है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एब्जॉर्ब करने वाला ट्री होता है, इसलिए ट्री बहुत प्रोटेक्ट करता है ओजोन लेयर को. प्लांट्स प्रोवाइड अ मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स. प्लांट्स के हर एक पार्ट से हमें बहुत कुछ मिलता है. रूट से हमें पोटैटोज, रेडिश, बीट रूट, कैरेट, इतनी सारी चीज़ें मिलती है. सीड्स, प्लांट्स के बहुत सारे सीड्स से हमें व्हीट, राइस, ग्राउंड नट्स, आलमंड एक्सेट्रा इतने मिलते हैं. फ्रॉम लीव्स एंड स्टेम वी गेट सिल्वर बीट, फ्रूट्स लाइक मैंगो, एप्पल, ग्रेप्स, पेपर, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमें प्लांट से मिलती है. मेनी मेडिसिन्स आर मेड अप फ्रॉम प्लांट्स एंड देयर प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड एज ए मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स. आयुर्वेदा में बहुत सारे प्लांट्स के ऐसे नाम है जिससे मेडिसिन्स तैयार होती है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अजिनोमोटो, तो मेडिसिन के भी बहुत ज़्यादा काम आता है. ट्रीज, ह्यूमन एंड अदर एनिमल्स need to breathe living, need plant to live, they eat them and live them. प्लांट्स की बहुत सारी बेनिफिट्स है. मुझे जो अच्छी लगी वो आपको बताई. अगला टॉपिक आपको रेणुका एक्सप्लेन करेगी. थैंक्स.
Everyone, myself Renuka Vakodikar from Indian Institute of Food Science and Technology. I will tell you about the deforestation and the effect of deforestation. Deforestation is clearing the forest or stands of trees using the land for the other purpose. What are the effects of deforestation? First effect is soil erosion. Cutting down the trees leads to the clearance of a forest and soil erosion occurs. Nutrients evaporates and it affects the bacteria that helps to break down organic matter. Due to this, rain washes the soil surface and erosion takes place. Second effect is green gas emission. Gases such as methane and carbon dioxide traps the heat in Earth's atmosphere, leading change in climate. Trees absorb the carbon dioxide and release oxygen and water into the atmosphere, and this contributes to global warming. Third effect is biodiversity loss. Deforestation alters the lands and so that many plants and animals do not survive. Due to more deforestation, the entire species can extinct. This is biodiversity loss. We lost 50 to 100 species of animals each day due to the destruction of habitat. So these are three main effects of deforestation. There are also some effects of deforestation such as desertification, flooding, climate change, etc.
Greenhouse effect.
The greenhouse effect is the problem caused by increased quantity of gas such as carbon dioxide in the air. This gas traps the heat from the sun and causes a gradual rise in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. While many people understand that the greenhouse effect is natural, there many also ocean greenhouse gas which global warming and therefore label this gas as bad. Yet life on Earth evolved in the content way because of how this gas regular Earth temperature. The greenhouse effect keeps Earth climate comfortable. The greenhouse effect is caused due to the wrong activity of man. Greenhouse gases. For example, carbon dioxide is present in the ocean, decline of plant due to the forest fire and the manure of some animal produce methane, and nitrogen oxide is present in water and soil. This was some caused by greenhouse effect. Along with this, we must have the knowledge of the impact of such greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect has led to rise temperature of caused to global warming. Due to global warming, our glaciers are melting and the water of melted pressure glaciers is leading to increase the surface water level of our ocean. As per the comment of scientists, if the today global warming remains continue, then in coming 100 years ocean level will increase and it will affect the life of 300 to 400 crores recycle. Never the ocean. The most impact of global warming that we today experiencing is climate change and uneven monsoon. My next friend Rutuja will tell us about conclusion of plantation.
Rutuja Kharat. I am from Indian Institute of Food Science and Technology, belongs to BSc FSQC first year. As we all know, today is Environment Day, and on this Environment Day, I am here to share my thoughts on the Environment Day. As we all know, environment is composed of many more things, and trees are the very important part of this environment. We have gotten a very beautiful and mesmerizing environment. Trees are being such a beautiful and a helpful part of this environment, which helps the human being unnecessarily with the many more. And also, this is trees are one of the reason on which the human beings are being on this planet. Trees are vital as the biggest planets on the planet. They give us oxygen, store carbon, stabilizes the soil and give life to world's wildlife. Not only are trees essential for life, but as the longest living species on earth, they give us link between the past, present and future. Trees contribute to their environment by providing oxygen, improving air quality, climate amplification, conserving water. Trees also lower the air temperature and reduces the heat temperature. Greenhouse effects by maintaining the low level of CO2. They moderate the effect of sun and wind. They clean the air by trapping dust, pollen, others pollutants, regenerate jobs and contribute raw materials for buildings, newspaper, books, etc. They are renewable, biodegradable and recyclable. Landscapes that include trees help to relax us, to lower the heartbeat and reduces the stress. As we all know, if the trees are helping us without taking from us anything, they are helping us to survive on this beautiful planet. So why we can't contribute one sacrifice to these trees? So on this beautiful day, on the Environment Day, we should also plant one tree. And also, we only not plant the tree, we also look after that trees. As we all know, environment give us the face and we create the identity. As we all love the beautiful faces, to be a part of these beautiful faces, to make these beautiful faces on this beautiful environment. So at the last, happy Environment Day to everybody, and also create the beautiful environment as you will get back this beautiful environment. So thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you.